Good morning. Welcome back. We're going to continue working with Inventor, and I have my program opened up here. I already clicked on New and clicked on English and Standard, and I'm going to click on Create. We're going to work on drawing 7-5 today, and okay, so our program's opened up. We're going to start with drawing the basic outline, and then I'll dimension that, and then we'll go from there. So let's start by clicking Start 2D Sketch, and this one I'm going to draw as if I'm looking in from the front. So I'm going to select the XY plane, and then I'm going to click on the front on our little orientation block here, and it will turn so we're looking straight in from the front. And I like to move it over so I'm drawing right in this area here. So let's go ahead and start with the bottom. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line, and I'm going to type in what length I want. So I want 4.5 inches. So we go 4.5, enter, and then I'm going to go up, zoom in a little bit, and we're going to go 1, enter, and then we're going to go 3.5 tab, enter. I will do the dimension of that in a minute, or the dimension of the, let's do this. Draw a line from there, straight up, right click, okay. Dimension from this line to here, and I want that to be, double click, I want that to be 60 degrees, so 60, enter. And then I can click on that. So here, let's deselect. Escape. Okay. Click on you, delete you. Okay. Now let's go line. I'm going to connect down to here, and let's slide it over a little bit. I want to go, how far? 1.5, and then tab, what does it take? I'm just going to click enter, and I can do the same I did on the other one. I'm going to draw a little extension to this line here so I can have something to dimension off of. And what do we want? 60 degrees. So I'm going to double click on there, 60, enter, and then I can click on you, delete, click on line. Go from this endpoint, and we're going to go up to the endpoint of this line, and that is the basic shape of our 7-5. So I already have it all dimensioned. I don't need to dimension any of that now, but we do need 2 circles here for 2 holes that we're going to have. So I'm going to click on circle, and I'm just going to draw these in a random location. I don't want to, you can see here, there are a little line going from other points over to it. If we click on that, it's going to kind of lock in that location. I don't want to do that. So right here, we're not clicking on anything. And I'm going to go to there, and right about there. So if we do attach it to any of those locations, it won't let us modify where our object's located, so we don't want that. I'm going to dimension from here to the center point, and that is 1, enter. Dimension from the center point here to there, and it is 0.5, enter. And then the diameter of this circle is also 0.5, enter. Alright, so center The bottom for this one is 1, enter, and then center to this outside edge is, what is that, 3.5, 3.5, enter, and then diameter is 1, so 1, enter, and we are finished with the 2D portion. I'm going to hit the green check mark to tell it we're done with the 2D drawing. Click on extrude. I'll click on the object we just drew. I don't want to click inside here or inside here. It'll fill that in. We don't want that. I'm going to click on the house to turn it to the side. And the distance we want for this one is 1/4 inch, so 0.25. Enter. And there you have it. Drawing 7-5. All done. Nice simple one. See you on the next one.